Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace battery terminals on a Ford F150. First, always prioritize your safety by wearing protective gloves and eye protection. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a wrench, a wire brush, and your new battery terminals. Before you begin, make sure your F150 is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for maximum safety. Now, let's disconnect the old terminals. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This prevents any accidental short circuits. Use a wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable. After that, repeat the same process for the positive terminal, ensuring both cables are completely free. Take a moment to inspect your battery tray and existing cables for any signs of corrosion or wear. With the old terminals removed, it's time to install the new ones. First, clean the battery posts thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure excellent electrical contact. Next, attach the new positive terminal first, making sure it fits snugly and securely. Then, connect the new negative terminal last, tightening it firmly onto its post. Finally, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals for long-lasting protection. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Double-check all your connections to confirm they are tight and secure, preventing any loose contact issues. Make sure no tools or debris are left near the battery or within the engine compartment. Now, start your F150 to verify proper electrical function and confirm the battery connection is solid. Remember to regularly inspect your terminals for corrosion to maintain optimal performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.